Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a modern wing letter R+S logo. And I also show you some tricks that is very helpful to everyone. Without taking much time, let's start the video. Let's open Pixellab application.
First of all, import this wing PNG. PNG link in description. Go ahead and download it. Bring the wing PNG in the middle, like this. Lock this layer. Go to Shape option, Radius value increase to 100%, Square shape convert to round shape. Bring the round shape in the middle, like this. Hide this wing PNG, select round shape, and copy it. Select copy shape, and go to edit option, decrease shape size, and change to black color, like this. Bring the black shape in the middle. Lock second and first layer, like this. Another time go to shape option, adjust this shape, like this. Bring the shape in the middle. Hide first layer, click on selection layer option, select second and third layer, like this, click on merge option, and hit the OK button. Scroll down to open erase color option, and enable it. Pick the black color, and boom, black color is erased. Unhide second layer, and move to top position, and copy this shape. Select copy shape and go to edit option. Change color to black, modify the shape, like this. Bring the shape in the middle. Go to shape option, select this shape, open mask option, masking shape, like this, and hit the OK button. Copy this shape, and change color to black. Adjust shape like this. Open mask option, and adjust masking area like this. Import another shape, and put this shape in this area. Bring the shape in the middle, like this. Select third layer, and copy it. And change color to black. Adjust this shape. Copy this shape, and rotate this shape, and adjust the shape. Masking this shape, like this. Select this shape, and open mask option, and enable it. Move this masking area. Select this shape, and masking this shape. Black shape layer move to top position. Copy this black shape and adjust like this. Another time copy it and adjust like this. Merge it all layer like this. And using this erase color option, and erase this unwanted black shape area like this, and increase tolerance value to 70. Import shape like this, and shape move to out of the frame. Select this both layer and merge it. Letter R and S logo symbol is made it. After unhide this wing shape, RS logo decrease and place it like this. Change background. So important this background link given in description. Go ahead and download it. Change the RS logo color like this. Select wing shape, and change shape color using this gradient color, like this. Merge both layer, like this. Go to 3D shape option, and enable it. First of all, disable simulate lighting. Depth value decrease to 3. Open shadow option, and enable it. Offset X and Y value to 3 and 3, respectively. Open inner shadow option, and enable it. Select white color. Blur radius to 3, offset X and Y value to 3 and 3, respectively. 3D R and S wing logo perfectly made. If you learn it, so hit the like button, and also share this video, and subscribe my channel.